Good morning, children. In the last class, we have discussed few problems of exercise 6.5. Today, let us discuss the remaining problem. In that, the first one is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. This is the thing you have to prove. Now, I am taking LHS part, that is left hand part of an equal sign. 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So it is in the form a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a you are having 3x, in the place of b we are having 7. A is 3x, b is 7. Now in the formula you substitute 3x plus 7 whole square is equal to 3x whole square plus 2. A place is 3x, b place is 7 plus 7 square, and this part minus 84x will be as it is. Now multiply it, the 3's are 9, x square plus 3 2's are 6, 6 7's are 42x plus 7 7's are 49 minus 84x. So these two are like terms, one is plus and one is minus. Go with the subtraction. 84 minus 42 is minus 42x. Now we got this. Call it as a 1. Expand 3x minus 7 whole square. In which form it is? It is in the form a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Again, in the place of a we are having a 3x. In the place of b we are having a 7. Same. Expand a square means 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square. So 3 3's are 9x square minus 7 3's are 21, 21 2's are 42x plus 7 7's are 49. This is, call it as a 2. Observe 1 and 2. Same, 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Both the sides same it is, LHS is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved. Now we will go with the next problem. 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn will be equal to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. This is the thing we had to prove. Now same as usual, go with the LHS part. What is LHS you take down? So it is in the form a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a we are having 4 by 3m. In the place of b we are having 3 by 4n. So a square 4 by 3m whole square plus b square 3 by 4n whole square minus 2mn. 2 into 2ab, this part. 2 into a is 4 by 3m, b is 3 by 4n plus this will be as it is. Now you have to square it. 4 4's are 16, 3 3's are 9 n square. 3 3's are 9, 4 4's are 16 n square. Here you can observe 4 4 get cancelled, 3 3 get cancelled, 2 is left, m and n is left. Minus 2mn and here plus 2mn. Again these two get cancels. The left will be 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. This is the RHS part we are having. So we got the RHS. Okay. So this is the second problem. Now we will move to the third problem. Here also you have to show that a minus b into a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a is equal to 0. You can observe each pair is in the form a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square form. Here also same thing. See, it can be written as a square minus b square. B plus c into b minus c can be written as b square minus c square. C plus a into c minus a can be written as c square minus a square. Now plus a square minus a square get cancelled. Minus b square plus b square get cancelled. minus c square plus c square get cancelled. Everything get cancels. Finally, what is left there? 0 will be the left thing. So that is the answer. Okay. This is one mind. Next, one more mind is using identities evaluate. Which are the identities suitable for it that you have to use and you have to make the evaluation. Okay, so here I took 4 problems: 71 square, 5.2 square, 297 into 303, and one more is 10.5 into 9.5. 4 different problems I have taken. Let us solve one by one. First one, 71 square, which can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. By that you will be getting a plus b whole square form, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus 70, b plus 1. Substitute 70 plus 1 whole square is equal to 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. So 70 into 70, how you will multiply? 7 7s are 49, 2 zeros. Okay. 7 2s are 14, 1 0 plus 1 square is 1. Add all together, 141 plus 4900, it will be 5041. Got up? Now next we will move to the next problem, 5.2 whole square. Again it can be splitted as 5 plus 0.2 whole square, which is in the form a plus b whole square only, a square plus 2ab plus b square form only. A plus 5, b plus 0.2 you will be having. So 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. After one number we had to keep 2. That's why we will be getting 2 here. Okay. 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04. Add all. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 plus 0.04 is 27.04. So that is the answer for the second one. Now we will move to the third one. Third one is 297 into 303. That means you have to take 300 as the middle. So for 1, 3 should be subtracted and 1 for 3 should be added. So 297 can be written as 300 minus 3. Whereas 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. Okay. Substitute the values. It is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square. So in the place of a, 300 is there. In the place of b, 3 will be there. So 300 square minus 3 square, which is 90,000 minus 9. By subtraction we will be getting 8,991. Okay. Next we will move to the one more problem. Okay. 10.5 we have left, that I will solve in the last. Next, using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, find these things they are saying. First one, 51 square minus 49 square. Here 50 plus 1 whole square minus 50 minus 1 whole square we can write. See, this whole thing a, this whole thing b. So a is 50 plus 1, b is 50 minus 1. Expand according to the formula. So a plus b means a is what? 50 plus 1 plus b is 50 minus 1. Again a minus b means a means 50 plus 1 minus of, you write 50 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 50 plus 50, 100. Here after removing a bracket, minus 50 plus 1 you will be getting. Plus 50 minus 50 get cancelled, 2 will be left. So 100 into 2 is 200. Okay. This is the solvation. Next we will move to the next one. 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. Here also I am implementing it 1.02 as 1 plus 0.02, whereas 98 as 0.98 as 1 minus 0.02. Now we got it in the form a square minus b square. In the place of a, 1 plus 0.2 is there. In the place of b, 1 minus 0.2 is there. Okay, substitute that in a formula. So what is formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A is what? 1 plus 0.02. Next, what is b? B is 1 minus 0.2. Interchange the sign. By that 1 get cancelled. 0.2 into 0.2, 0.04. Multiply with the 2. It will be 0.08. Clear? Now next mind problem. Here you have to use the formula this x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay, no other things. Now this is splitted as 100 plus 3, 100 minus 2, isn't it? 100 will be the common thing. X is equal to 100. A is 3. B is 2. Substitute in a formula. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab, which is 100 square plus a is minus 3. No, only 3. B is minus 2 into 100 plus 3 into minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 100, 100 only. 100 square is 10,000. Okay. Plus into minus minus 3 2s is 6. Now add these two and subtract 6 from that. 10,600, 10,094 you are getting answer. Next problem. 9.7 into 9.8. So it can be splitted as 10 minus 0.3, whereas 10 minus 0.2. Here also same thing. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x of a plus b plus ab. X plus 10, a plus 0.3, b plus minus 0.2 you will be getting. Substitute. X square means 10 square plus x of 0.3 plus 0.2. Add it up and here AB is minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. Okay, both are minus, it will become plus. 100, 10 square is 100. 10 is as it is. This one we have to solve. Okay, minus 0.3, minus 0.2, both are same sign. Addition will take place. 0.5 will be the addition there. Okay, so it is a minus. Both are having minus signs. That's why even this is minus. So 10 into 5 is 50. But the 0 will cancel due to the decimal point. 0.06. Subtract 100 minus 5 is 5. 95. 95 plus 0.06 is, this is the answer. Okay. So this completes this algebraic lesson. In the next class we will discuss about the one more problem, which is that part 2 book. Okay, in that we will solve and we can check it out. This problem just I want to explain of the last mile. It can be written as 10 plus 0.5 and 9.5 can be written as 10 minus 0.5. Getting? So which formula you are going to apply? A plus b into a minus b formula, which is equal to a square minus b square. So 10 plus 0.5 whole square. not whole square, into 10 minus 0.5 is equal to 10 square minus 0.5 whole square. 10 square is 100. This is 0.25. Subtract it. 100 minus 0.25. Subtract it. So it is 99.75. Okay, so this completes the lesson. Thank you, children.